no two is not enough.
Hi guys, today I will show you how to activate Windows 10 for free. As you can see, my Windows 10 is not activated. First, go to your browser and search for kmspico.info. And go through the first link. This is the official site to download. Now click Download kmspico.info. After download, open the download folder and extract the file. This is important. Before extracting, turn off your Windows Defender or antivirus software temporarily. I forget to show in this video. Now open the setup file and copy the password and paste it in setup. And click OK. Now follow me. Click Next and accept the license agreement and click Next. Now go to the computer properties and check the Windows activation. As you can see, my Windows is finally activated. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any doubt, comment below. Like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.